time for Merrifield Hall. Press to open.
I'll open.
Oh, even better. Look at that.
Have you ever been on this one before?
I've been on this with Gage before. E. Alright. What's ground? 3.
R and O. They have the same light here that they had in the Gamble one up there.
Oh, yeah. Of course, because this is North Dakota, there aren't any elevator permits to look at. Ooh, very bouncy. Not sure what this was originally. It's quite strange how the doors are asymmetrical. Normally they're here, here.
And this is probably as old as the building itself. So
I think that this was a later add-on.
you do?
Elevators were barely a thing in 1929. Ground. Alright, we'll end at...
Rated E for everyone.
Yes. Alright. That's the floor plan. That's it.